What's up, fam? Here's the day. Today's the day we're gonna go ahead and slap the lip on. I got her right here inside my Recaro seat, strapped on, ready to go. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. I'm gonna be at Simply Deets today, so stand by, stay tuned. Hopefully we'll be slapping this bad boy on, and this GLI is gonna look super clean. See you guys later. All right, boys, just got the Simply Deets. There's our co-star right there, baby. We're gonna get this rocking and rolling. Let me let you guys into something. Check engine tube, you know what I'm saying? We gotta go ahead and support Volkswagen. That's what we do over here, right? We support Volkswagen, all German cars, well, all cars in general, but we have a soft spot for VWs, you know what I'm saying?
Unfortunately, bad boy life.
Always, because if this goes wrong, it's probably gonna break, so we'll see. All right, see you guys in a little bit. All right, so backing out my car real quick, but then this loud mother front door over here. Holy crap. Any more noise? Any more noise? Let me get my car out of the middle of the road before I get a ticket, but woo! Sheesh! Check engine tube, right? What we got there?
Big old check engine light.
Hey, haha, there we go. Adam says my car's never low. Don't mind it being dirty. Ha! It is a low car, Adam. He left. It is a low car. See, now I gotta go on this little piece of wood just to get the car off the ground. It's on coilovers, okay?
It's almost stock.
It's not funny. It's not funny. Don't listen to him. Anyway,
Here we go.
we start this game. As you can tell, I am low. I don't care what he has to say. But we're up there. Roadie gang. Hey, what's up, guys? So right now, me and Adam just went underneath the car. We use a T20 to go ahead and take out some of these little screws right here. We're trying to get underneath the bumper, so then this right here is gonna actually screw into the bumper. And let me show you the parts real quick so you guys understand me a little more. So this is the screw that's actually gonna go in there. This is basically what's gonna retain it. So I just need to make sure I get my hand in there. So then we can actually tighten it up and it can actually stay in place so we don't have to lose the bumper on the road. Not the bumper, but the lip, you know what I mean? So now that we got that out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and screw into the bumper. JC, gotta be with us. All right, let's see what happens. So I gotta use a 5 16 drill bit to go into my bumper. And anyway, so I am ready to mess this up. I hope I don't mess it up. Adam, don't let me mess it up. I'm gonna trip, yeah. We'll see how this goes, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a Sharpie real quick, guys, right here, just so then I know where I'm gonna actually line up and then start drilling it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit that up. As you guys can see, I have tape all over the bumper just to see where I wanted it lined up. And then from here, once I get that marker spot right there, I'm gonna drill into there, hit the centerpiece. Then what I'm thinking of doing, call me crazy, Adam, but I'm thinking of using a 3mm tape or 3M tape, right? 3M tape, and then actually hood it up right there in the sides, and then from there, we'll see how it is, and then put like 4 screws instead of like all 30 of them that came with it. So that's what you're thinking?
Yeah, 4 screws should be good. One on one end, one end, yeah, because you don't want too many holes in your bumper.
Especially, we don't know how this one's gonna come out, so we'll find out. See you guys soon. My wife, Natalie, don't kill me. I hope this goes well. Love you, bye. Oh my God.
Right. He's hurting inside.
All right, so put the hole in there. Oh my God, this is disgusting, but look, I'm scraping anyway. Hey, low gang. anyway, got the hole right here. Now, we're gonna go ahead and actually get the bumper put in. I'm gonna put in the first screw. Once I put in the first screw, it locks into place. Then we're gonna go ahead and use that 3M tape like I said earlier. And then we'll put a couple more screws, not all of them, and then we should be done. About like, what, 30 minutes?
About 30 minutes,
yeah. Good. All right, well, we'll see in a second and see how it goes. I'll tell you guys if I messed it up. Later. So we got the centerpiece in, come on.
All right, go ahead.
All right, hey guys, so right now what we're about to do is soak up this little rag. You guys can use a towel, whatever you want, because we're about to use this 3mm tape, as you guys can see here. We already went and screwed in the front top of this one spot that I was terrified of doing. Looks like it came out really good. I hope it doesn't mess it up. But nice and centered. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our sides on, and then we should be good to go from there. All right, guys? See you guys in a little bit.
All right, so he just cleaned this down. He's wiping it down, make sure it's clean. You guys want a nice clean surface when you apply M3 tape to get the best stickiness out of the M3 tape.
Hey, don't mind this right here, all right? It's dirty. Me and Adam are gonna clean it afterwards. Hopefully this whole thing doesn't fucking fly off, but it should be good.
So the M3 tape's already right there. So he's just gonna pull it off right now, the protective cover on it, and then we're gonna apply it to the bumper.
All you're gonna do is forcefully just push it in. It should fall in just like so. And then probably grab some tape just so it can stay together. As you can see, it's already there, but you always want to make sure that you have solid pressure on it for a little bit. So I recommend while you're doing it, just go ahead and put out some tape. It's the worst that could happen, right? So put on some tape, just so you can always have something actually pressing onto the actual lip while you're doing the rest of the car, if that makes any sense. And then what I'm gonna do is, once we move on to the next side, I'm gonna go ahead and start screwing this side next, once I'm done with the other side, if that makes any sense. So I'll see you when we're done.
What up, homies? So hijacking Mikey's YouTube channel, you know, Simply Deets, you know, go follow me. You know, you want to, so make it happen. You know, and if you're watching my content, make sure you go follow Mikey's, all right? So he's back.
Hey!
So I'm gonna give you a little preview before we drop it. We got 2 screws left to put in, and then this thing's on the ground, and then we're gonna wash the car, then do a full walk around and everything. Maybe we'll give you a little walk around of the other 2 cars that we got here too. You know, show you what's done to them and everything, you know. We gotta show you the whole fam, so.
Oh wait, I did that wrong, DW. I don't know what I was doing. Anyway,
West Coast.
Hey, show them the bumper though. Look at this. Hey, it's on there. So right now, like I said before, we had 3 M tape already on there. I'm gonna hit those couple screws left, and then we're done. And yeah, man. So if you guys need to know, was it terrifying? Yes, I was scared shitless. I'm not gonna lie to you. But once I got on there, my boy right here made me feel confident about myself, so I went ahead and did it. And then yeah, so after this, we'll go ahead and do a quick little, what do they call that? Ceramic? Or what is that video? Like a little
walk around
type, you know? Yeah, I don't know.
You know,
anyway,
the music and everything.
Yeah, you know, real cool, you know. Anyway, it'll be dope. We'll knock this out, and then we'll get back to you right here shortly.
All right, peace.
He said he doesn't work. I don't believe them. Look at that. He did that for me. I love you, buddy. Now, see how this comes out. Oh, shit. I'm not even nice and smooth on your side.
Wrist action.
Man, she pretty, buddy.
Now just wait till we get her off that piece of wood too.
Level it up.
What are we thinking?
Damn. That is nice. I'm happy. You happy?
I'm happy.
All right, it's been a long time since I've been in a VR6. Adam just gave me his keys. Adam, you ready?
Let's do this.
I'll put the cinematic view about this later, but damn, she look good, boy. Anyway, let's do this. I have to put the key in the ignition, right? Oh, okay. Sure?
Yeah.
All right.
Should hold it sideways.
Boom. Damn. Thing came out clean, boy.
Tires.
Oh. Dang. It's called Simply Detailed Garage over here with Simply Deets. He got all the products up in his crib. But yeah, finished up everything, came out pretty smooth. Thanks, Adam. Knocked it out. But
Anything for the homies.
you know, at the end of the day, that's what she looked like. She's shining, boy. You see that?
I see it. You can see your reflection in this bad boy.
Damn.
You can shave in the morning.
But yeah, guys, be getting more content here shortly. Got a couple things going on soon, so stand by, stay tuned. We'll see you guys soon. Later.